In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban in ClickUp 2025. Kanban is a simple visual way to manage work as it moves from start to finish. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean board where you can see tasks flowing between columns like to do, in progress, and done, and you'll know exactly how to set it up inside ClickUp. First, log into ClickUp and head to My Workspace. This is your home base where all your spaces, projects, and tasks live. If you work across multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one that contains the work you want to manage. Next, click on your team space from the sidebar. A team space is the container for your group's work. Opening it ensures you're looking at the right area before creating a Kanban board. Now, open the specific project where you want to build your Kanban. Pick the project that holds the tasks you plan to track on the board. If your tasks live inside a particular list or folder within that project, make sure you're in the correct one so everything shows up in your board view. Click on List to confirm you're inside the right work context. This keeps your structure neat, so your board reflects only the tasks from this list or project and doesn't pull in unrelated work. Then click on View to open the viewing options. Views let you switch how tasks are displayed without changing the underlying data. Here's where you'll switch from a standard list view to a visual board. Choose the option to move tasks between columns and select the board or Kanban view. This transforms your tasks into cards organized by status columns. From here, customize your workflow by editing the column statuses to match how your team works. Keep it simple at first. Common columns are backlog or to-do, in progress, review, and done. You can add or rename columns to mirror your actual process. To create a task, use the Add Task button on the board or within a specific column. Give it a clear title, add assignees, due dates, and any key details. As work progresses, simply drag the task card from one column to the next. This movement updates the task's status automatically and creates a reliable visual of what's pending, active, or complete. A quick tip: if you notice bottlenecks, consider limiting how many tasks sit in a single column to keep work flowing smoothly. That's it, your Kanban in ClickUp is ready to use. Keep refining your columns and task details as your process evolves, and your board will stay fast, clear, and actionable.